Oh, and T-Town's down at 2. Some of the mascots picked up too. Watch out, she's coming through.
At the P-Town Museum, where today the spectacular crown of Queen Bling Bling goes on display. Chief Delaney, is this world-famous treasure safe in P-Town?
Absolutely, Sarah. I'd stake my job on it. The graviton system is unbeatable.
So, just how good is this graviton? Earlier, I spoke to P-Town's famous master thief, the fabulous Jonathan, who is currently behind bars at the P-Town Penitentiary.
Hi, Sarah. Loving that outfit. Welcome to my fabulous cell. Yes, the graviton system is absolutely unbeatable. I mean, I'm a fabulous thief, and I couldn't get past it. Who else could acquire that crown? Mother Goose? Please! Ha ha ha! She's not smart enough. She'll be at home right now on her tushy, filling her face with chocolates. Not smart enough? Me? How dare he? To the duck hunter!
So the crown is safe even from Mother Goose. Back to the studio. Oh boy, I see trouble ahead. Wakey, wakey, Bingo!
P243 roller play, P2 5 human.
Come on, Doc. Bingo, we gotta go. Boy, the goose just got slammed, and I got my perfect fur. She's not gonna take it lying down.
thief. As well as being really good at breaking into places, I can also break out. I knew you'd be easy to rile, Goosey. I'll get you for this, pea-brain! Oh, sticks and stones will break my bones, but in this crown, I'll look fabulous.
Wow, that's some serious bling. I love it.
Well, you've all been super fun.